to another episode of
Confronting Colonialism. I am Lydia, and this is
Rich Look LLC, and we're here. We're delving into a pivotal moment in the Philippine history. The Katipunan Revolution of 1896.
so today there are 8 guest members of our panel, each bringing unique perspective to this discussion. Let's introduce our guests. Hi, this is our guests. This is
Hi everyone, I am Giovanni and I am passionate about the Philippines.
Hello, I'm Christian Timata and I'm excited to be here to talk about Katipunan.
Hi everyone, I'm Kuya H. Darling, sharing my insights information about the important topic.
Okay, I'm Dea Kamingawan, honored to contribute to sharing the discussion.
so for you, what do you think about the colonialism way back in the Philippines?
As I have studied and gathered, the colonialism rule back in the Philippines was harsh, and the Filipino were oppressed by unjustly lost and more forced labors and such. So I think the Filipinos were very unfortunate to be under the rule of colonialism of the Spaniards. Johanny, can you give us some background on the conditions in the Philippines leading up to the formation of the Katipunan?
So certainly, the late 19th century was a challenging time for Filipinos under Spanish rule. We faced a heavy taxation, forced labor, and limited civil liberties. The emergence of the Katipunan in 1892 was a response to this oppressive conditions. It was actually founded by Andres Bonifacio as a secret society aimed at achieving independence and social reform.
Thank you, Johanny, for your insights regarding the topic.
How about you, Chan? Could you tell us about the significance of the Katipunan's ideology and its impact on the Filipino nationalists and movement?
Sure, the Katipunan's ideology was revolutionary for its time. It advocated for unity of Filipinos regardless of social class or background. It emphasized the concept of kalayaan or kamatayan, rallying people to fight for their rights and dignity. Katipunan inspired a sense of national identity and resistance against colonial dominion.
Wow, thank you very much, Chan, for your insight.
Gabriel, can you share some insights on the events leading up to the outbreak of the revolution in 1896?
So, the discovery of the Katipunan by Spanish authorities in 1896 triggered the revolution. The execution of our hero, which is Dr. Jose Rizal, a prominent nationalist, also fueled public outrage and galvanized support for the uprising. The revolution began with skirmishes across Luzon, led by Bonifacio and other Katipunan leaders. Ang pagbitay kay Dr. Rizal ay nagpalakas at ang pagbitay kay Dr. Rosa Rizal na nagpalakas ng pagkagalit ng publiko at nagudyok sa suporta sa pag-aaklas at ang pagsisimula ng revolusyon sa mga sagupaan sa Luzon na pinangunguluhan ni Bonifacio at ng iba pang mga pinuno ng Katipunan. Dahil sa kanyang kaalaman at pag-unawa, sa konteksto ng panahon, mahusay siyang magbigay ng masusing pagsusuri ng mga pangyayari na naging pundasyon ng kasalukuyang estado ng Pilipinas bilang isang malayang bansa.
Maraming salamat sa inyong insight to this topic.
Hi, Dea, how are you? So, can you elaborate on the role of women in the Katipunan in the revolution?
Actually, women played important roles in the Katipunan, contributing as organizers, messengers, and even workers. Notably, Gregoria de Jesus, Gregoria de Jesus, Bonifacio's wife, was instrumental in supporting the logistics, the revolution. Women's participation
challenge traditional gender norms and emphasize its importance in the struggle for freedom.
Wow, thank you, Dea. Women really play the vital role in the Katipunan. Now, let us welcome our new batch of guests. Please,
Introduce yourself.
please introduce the face.
Hi, I'm John Victor Del Rosario. I'm ready to explore the impact of colonialism in the Philippines.
Hello, I'm Sheena Charin B. Oliveira, and I'm excited to delve into this historical period.
I'm Karinas, and to learn answers, perspective, everyone today. My name is Joshua Ardit Singh, thrilled to be a part of this conversation.
Victor, what do you think are the impacts of the revolution against the colonialism on the Philippines?
The revolution shifted the dynamics of colonial rule. While it didn't immediately lead to independence, it exposed the vulnerabilities of Spanish authority and laid the groundwork for future resistance movements. The revolution sparked broader nationalist sentiments and contributed to the eventual downfall of Spanish colonial rule.
This one just like Victor.
Now, Charlene, hi! Hello. So, what lasting legacies did the Katipunan and the Revolution leave for the Filipino?
So the Katipunan and the Revolution instilled a sense of pride and unity among Filipinos. They inspired future generation of nationalists and independence advocates, leading ultimately to the establishment of the first Philippine Republic and the continuing fight for genuine sovereignty.
Thank you so much, Charlene. Now, Lulu.
But, as we wrap up, how can we draw lessons from the Katipunan struggle in confronting colonialism?
The Katipunan story reminds us of the power of unity, collective action, and system of rage. It underscores the importance of preserving our history and heritage as we continue to confront modern days challenges in colonial legacies.
Thank you, Edwin, for your interesting take on the question.
Okay, now, Joshua. What are your thoughts on the global impact of the Katipunan and the Philippine Revolution in 1896?
The Katipunan struggle resonated beyond the Philippines, inspiring anti-colonial movements across Asia and beyond. It challenged imperial narratives and employed aspiration for self.
Again.
The Katipunan struggle resonated beyond the Philippines, inspiring anti-colonial movements across Asia and beyond. It challenged imperial narratives and employed aspiration for self-determination worldwide.
Thank you, everyone, for joining our podcast today.
Thank you to all of our panelists who shared some enlightening takes and discussions regarding our topic, which is the Katipunan and the Philippine Revolution of 1896.
Remember, understanding our past empowered us to shape a more just future. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Confronting Colonialism.
Join us next time as we delve into the Philippine history and take up the topics such as the colonialism and such.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Kusang kamera.